Hi there, I'm Laura. Today we're making a delicious Spanish-style roast pork, a Mediterranean dish that's simple, aromatic, and perfect for any occasion. Let's do it. Are you ready? Step 1. Here are the main ingredients. 3 pieces of pork loin, chopped onion, cherry tomatoes, black olives, garlic cloves, olive oil, salt, pepper, and dried herbs. Step 2. Chopping the onion. We start by chopping the onion into medium pieces. This will give the dish a wonderful aroma and flavor. Step 3. Cutting the pork. Next, we cut the pork loin into 3 thick segments. This helps it cook faster and absorb more flavor. Step 4. Arranging in the baking dish. Place the pork pieces and chopped onion evenly in a large baking dish. Step 5. Seasoning. Now we season everything with salt, pepper, and your favorite dried herbs. Oregano, thyme, or an Italian blend all work great. Step 6. Adding garlic. Press the garlic directly over the pork to infuse it with a fresh, intense flavor. Step 7. Olive oil. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil over the pork and onions. This helps everything brown beautifully. Step 8. Baking tomatoes. Bake for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Then remove the dish and add the cherry tomatoes around the pork. Return it to the oven for another 10 minutes. Step 9. Adding olives. Take it out once more and add the black olives. They give the dish that irresistible Mediterranean touch. Step 10. Final roasting. Place the dish on the top rack of the oven for the final 10 minutes, so everything gets a perfect golden finish. Step 11. Final presentation. And here it is, our juicy, colorful Spanish-style roast pork. Garnish with fresh rosemary sprigs, and it's ready to serve. Goodbye. Thanks so much for spending time with us today. We truly enjoyed having you here. If you liked this recipe, please don't forget to give us a like so more people can discover and enjoy this beautiful dish. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap the little bell icon so YouTube notifies you every time we upload a new recipe. See you in the next video. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your meal.